In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Facebook ads reporting in Sheets via Supermetrics. This process is incredibly useful for those who want their ad data to be updated automatically, saving time while ensuring you have access to the latest information without manually pulling reports. Now, let's dive in. First, we'll start by installing or opening Supermetrics in Google Sheets. Navigate to Google Sheets on your browser. If you haven't installed the Supermetrics add-on yet, you'll want to do that first. Simply go to Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and then click on Get Add-ons. A window will pop up where you can search for and install Supermetrics. Once you have it installed, the next step is to open the Supermetrics sidebar. You'll need this to manage your data connections and queries efficiently. With the sidebar open, it's time to connect to Facebook ads. In the sidebar, you'll see an option to select a data source. Choose Facebook ads from the list. You may be prompted to authenticate and grant the necessary permissions to access your Facebook ads data. Make sure you select the correct ad accounts that you want to pull data from. This step is crucial to ensure that you're accessing the right set of data for your reports. Now, let's build your query. This is the part where you decide what data you want to see in your Google Sheet. Begin by choosing the specific metrics you need, such as clicks, impressions, or spend. Then, select your dimensions. These might include breakdowns like date, campaign, or ad set. Setting the date range and filters is also an important aspect of your query, as this ensures you only fetch the most relevant data. If you're looking for some guidance, don't hesitate to use suggested queries or templates that Supermetrics offers. These pre-built options can save you time and help ensure your report is comprehensive. Once you've got your query set up, it's time to insert the data into your sheet. Run the query, and you'll see the data populating into your Google Sheet in a neat, organized table. It's as easy as that. To make sure your data stays current, we need to set up a schedule to refresh it automatically. With your query all set, go back to the Supermetrics sidebar and look for the Schedule or Triggers feature. This is where you'll configure how often your data should update, whether that's daily, weekly, or another frequency that fits your needs. You also have the option to set up email notifications, which will alert you each time the data refreshes or if something goes awry. And there you have it. A streamlined, efficient way to automate your Facebook ads reporting using Supermetrics in Google Sheets. No more manual downloads or data entry, just reliable, up-to-date reports ready whenever you need them. Thanks for watching.